Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a watch list on TradingView. If you're new to TradingView or just looking to keep your favorite markets organized, a watch list is the perfect way to track symbols you care about in one place. It helps you quickly scan price movements, switch between charts, and stay focused without digging around for tickers every time. Whether you're monitoring Shopify stock for your e-commerce business or tracking competitors in your niche, a well-organized watch list can save you tons of time and help you stay on top of market changes. Let's start right from the main chart. Look to the top right of your TradingView workspace. You'll see a small bookmark icon. Go ahead and click on the bookmark icon at the top right. That button opens the watch list area, and if it was already open, it simply brings it into focus. The watch list is an essential tool for anyone serious about staying updated on the markets you care about. Whether you're monitoring Shopify trends, analyzing specific products, or watching other e-commerce related assets. This is the watch list pane. It typically docks on the right side of your screen and shows whatever list you currently have active, along with the symbols inside it. At the very top of that pane, you'll notice the watch list title. It might display a default name or the name of your last used list. This is where you'll see the names of any watch lists you've previously created, making it easy to switch between different groups of tickers, whether for e-commerce stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets you want to follow. Click on the watch list title at the top and then select Create New List. This tells TradingView you want a fresh, clean list to work with, and there you go. Your new list is created instantly, giving you a dedicated space to gather the tickers you want to monitor without mixing them into your existing lists. For example, you could create a watch list for Shopify competitors or e-commerce trends to keep all your relevant stocks and symbols in one place. It's a great way to compartmentalize your research and not get lost in the noise. Now, start customizing your new watch list. Think about how you want to use it. Maybe it's for day trading setups, a long-term investment group, a sector you're researching, or a short list for the week. You could create a list just for stocks in the e-commerce industry, or perhaps a list that tracks new Shopify apps that are gaining attention in the market. Give it a clear, memorable name, and keep the scope focused so it stays useful. The more specific your list, the easier it will be to get quick insights. Consider the order that will serve you best, like grouping similar assets together or arranging them by priority. For instance, you might want to keep your top-performing stocks at the top, or group them by market sector to easily compare performance. You can also keep notes about why each symbol made the cut, what time frame you're watching, or any key levels to remember. Let's say you're watching Shopify stock for a potential breakout after a major product launch, or you're keeping track of a competitor's pricing strategy. You can make a note in your watch list to remind you of those specific factors. The goal is to make the list work for you at a glance, so design it around your routine and your strategy. Whether you're focusing on technical analysis or keeping tabs on long-term trends, having these extra notes will make your trading decisions more informed. To recap, open the watch list pane by clicking the bookmark icon at the top right. Then use the title at the top of the pane to create a new list. Once it's made, shape it to fit your workflow and trading style so you can move faster and make decisions with more confidence. Organizing your markets in TradingView can help you focus on what matters most to your business or personal trading strategy. And with just a few simple steps, you can stay on top of price changes, news, and trends across your most important symbols. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your markets neatly organized in TradingView. With the right watch list, you'll be able to track your favorite stocks, products, or competitors effortlessly.